Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a fidget spinner race. Who's going to win? This fidget spinner here or original fidget spinner? Let's see. So the race is beginning. The fidget spinner on the left looks a lot faster for some reason. On the right looks a bit slower. And look how weird they all look in the camera. And my cat was getting involved as well. Look at him. And then, they kept on going for a very long time. And my cat tried to stop it for some reason. And then I just whacked it away. And the fidget spinners keep on spinning, but as you can see, the one on the right is getting a lot slower now. And it looks like that one is gonna die soon. And the race is finished!
Mellow, yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow.